Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Onyx Black paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and ventilated seats, power sunroof, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, wireless charging, and more. Let's go take a look. First we're going to take a look at the interior. You have the jet black finish on the door panel, storage compartment with cup holder along the bottom, Bose audio system, power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with memory driver seat and mirrors. Just inside the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking brake as well as several different driving modes and some interior and exterior lighting controls. Black leather seats with Denali etching at the top in the center, power controls on the side. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side, you can see you have your cruise control settings as well as your forward collision alert and heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your voice recognition as well as directional controls to control the information screen in front of you. This will have your speedometer, the music you're listening to, navigation, phone settings if you want to connect via Bluetooth, as well as several different customizable settings for the display itself. Entertainment center has your audio. This will have FM, AM, and Sirius XM radio, and you can see the music playing on the right-hand side of the screen. Navigation, phone settings if you're connected via Bluetooth, as well as several cameras that you can look through. You can have all the options here at the bottom. Tap any one of those to take a look at all the different cameras. And of course, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Just below that, you'll find your dual zone climate control. This has your heated and ventilated seats, as well as your temperature gauge and fan speed. Little further below, you'll have your controls for lane departure warning, parking assist, auto start stop, power liftgate, and several other controls you can see there. Storage compartment just underneath at the very front with a USB Type-C outlet. Another storage compartment just below it next to the dual cup holder. And just below the shifter, you'll find your trailer brake controller, which is located just in front of the wireless charging pad, underneath the center console there. Back of the center console has dual cup holders for your rear passengers. Go ahead and open this up. You have bucket storage on the top. That's removable, so even more access underneath. Plenty of storage there. LED lamp so you can see better in the dark. USB and USB Type-C outlet. Easier access to your wireless charging pad, as well as a 3-prong outlet here. Go ahead and put the bucket storage back. And we'll take a look up top. Just above your rear view mirror, you'll find your 3 preset garage door openers, as well as the power controls for your rear sliding window and power sunroof. You'll also find settings for your OnStar, as well as some interior lighting controls. Take a look at the passenger side. You have storage compartment just above the glove box, as well as the glove box itself. Plenty of storage in the front of the cabin here. Next, we're going to take a step outside the vehicle and have a look at the exterior. You have that Onyx Black paint, red GMC emblem surrounded by the chrome grille, chrome accent along the bottom of the front bumper with your chrome recovery hooks, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels, chrome mirror caps, with your blind spot indicator at the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry, and chrome assist steps from the front to the rear passenger door. As we take a further look at the back, you have a corner step rear bumper for easier access into the bed of the truck, red GMC emblem just above your chrome Denali nameplate there. GMC Multi-Pro tailgates. You can see several cameras there as well. You can open up the entire tailgate. This gives you access to the bed of the truck. Several different cargo tie-down locations. Onboard power on the right-hand side, as well as LED lamps on either side, so you can see easier in the dark. The Multi-Pro tailgate folds down even further, giving you access to the assist step. This makes it extra easy to get into the back of the truck. And when you're all done, it folds away nicely so you can close the tailgate. And last but not least, let's take a look at the interior in the rear of the vehicle. You have the same jet black finish as in the front. Magazine holders on the back of the passenger and driver's seat. The same black leather seating as you did in the front with in-seat storage. Open that up. Fold the center down. This gives you access to 2 additional cup holders in addition to the 2 that you already have at the back of the center console. Lift up the seats. This gives you access to the under-seat storage, and the seats fold down nicely when you're all done. And the back of the center console has the controls for your rear heated seats, as well as a USB and Type USB-C outlet next to the rear passenger's HVAC vents. Thank you guys so much for joining me as we took a look at the new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get videos just like this one, and we hope to see you at the dealership in the near future.